I get a big gash from a sword in my thigh. If certain things don't happen really quickly, it's done. So here's the GHK. You have these amino acids that can be used to make collagen out on site, and you have copper that can activate different pathways. And then it activates production of your own stem cells. So your body goes, oh, emergency, all the alarms sound, and then I get more stem cells. I get rapid collagen repair. But here's the other thing: GHK acts like the Pied Piper, attracting capillary growth into damaged tissue. So it rapidly causes those capillaries to grow in and to reperfuse and get oxygen and nutrients and all the raw supplies to make something. So that's really important. That you mentioned strong collagen. There is a deeper, and I'm going to start deep first. There is a lot of talk about how cancers can only break out of an organ and metastasize if there is not strong collagen. So, having strong collagen, your body has a hardier response to things that are trying to get out like that, to metastasize. But also your bone matrix, let's just take that to begin with.